In this video, I want to talk about one of the sexiest topics in the world, a topic that will no doubt lift your mood and totally get your motor running, and that topic is, of course, laundry. Now, in all seriousness, everybody knows that laundry is actually a major pain in the ass, and most sane people don't even like discussing the topic. In fact, laundry is pretty much the opposite of an aphrodisiac, and it can be a nasty source of resentment in people's households, and perhaps it can lead to the odd homicide as well. However, what if I told you that laundry doesn't have to be so awful and dreary and conflict-ridden? What if I told you that laundry could be a positive thing that could actually improve your mood and your relationship with others? I will go as far as to say that you could use laundry to get you some of the things you want most in life. Sexy things. Things like beach vacations, new guitars, cool clothes, and even a new car. Now you're probably wondering, how could someone possibly use laundry to get all these cool things? And the answer is simple: coin-operated laundry machines. That's right, we've been using coin-operated laundry machines to make us thousands of dollars a year, and we often spend this extra money on cool stuff that simply makes us happy. Now here's how we do it, and remember that any landlord can do this as well. We simply order the coin-operated laundry machines online for roughly $750 a set. We install them in the new buildings that we buy, or even in the buildings that we bought in the past, and bingo, we're collecting money every month. We try to install washer dryers in common areas in the building where everyone can use them, like in the basement or in a separate room that's available. But sometimes we actually put the coin-operated machines in people's self-contained units. And let me tell you, these machines totally cash out. Here's some simple math to show you what I'm talking about. The average family of four does 7.4 loads of laundry each week. That's right, it's an average of more than a load a day. Our coin-operated machines require $2 for a wash and $1.50 a dry. That of course amounts to $3.50 a day on average, $24.50 a week, $98 a month, and $1,176 a year. Wow, that's a lot of money to do your laundry, particularly if it's just the people living in one apartment. So if we use that simple math, the new fourplex that we bought in January could potentially make us $4,704 a year. The fiveplex that we added in February could make us $5,880 a year. The machines that we've already got installed in our 2 duplexes and our 7plex also make us a lot of money. Now, of course, not every one of our units has a 4-person family living in it, and not everyone does laundry every day. But even if we get 2/3 of this projected money a year, or even half, I'll be a happy man. So now, I'm talking to you income property investors and even aspiring investors. I hope that you see the value in installing coin-operated machines in your building. This can also work for those annoying, freeloading, failure-to-launch children who refuse to move out even though they're in their 20s or 30s. This could be the kick in the pants they need. You want to do your laundry, son? Well, I hope you brought your loonies and toonies. So, until next time, thanks for checking out our video, and remember that laundry itself is rarely sexy, but the cash generated from coin-operated laundry machines is beyond sexy.